Hey guys, welcome back to the channel once again. We are in the Skyline. About 1 o'clock. Wednesday. I'm going to go grab a coffee and head over to my parents' place with some painting. And it's raining. I know what we can do. We can find out the cause of why the Skyline stopped the other day after driving for an hour. What do you guys think it is? I think that the belt is a little bit loose. It's not charging properly. Because I'm doing all these shorter trips. Okay. Might be charging a little bit. But the battery's holding its charge. Going for an hour trip, it's not charging properly. Drain the battery, turn it off to get petrol. Couldn't start it. Yeah, sometimes when I do start the car, it sounds like a belt is slipping. So might have a look at it at the folks' place. See how we go. You have to go from underneath to tension the belt anyways, if it is loose. Well guys, I should have grabbed the rear muffler from the Skyline pickup part. Didn't even think about that. And I could have just changed that one with the valve. You guys would have heard that slippy belt. Just going to go pick up Marley now. It's been raining, so I haven't really done anything with the car, but you'll see it. You'll see me trying to fix the car. Alrighty, the dog is not here. The dog's at the vet at the moment, so I'll get the car. Can we knock on it? Maybe the sun with the gates open. Find out what's going on with it. Actually, I might just work on it here. It's a better ground, guys. So I'm suspecting a loose belt. So belt's a little bit loose, and that makes it not charge properly. A little bit. I believe the adjustment is from underneath. Still haven't put the AC belt on. Right, going to jack it up. Alrighty, put some cardboard down. Little access hole. Excess holes for the radiator. Going to take this underbody tray off. There he goes. So here is the bolt tensioner. That bolt there. Should tighten up the belt a bit. Looks like it's been slipping. If it's slipping on the alternator, it's not going to charge properly. There it goes. It's tighter. It's not tight. Not too tight, but I believe I did about 1.5 turns on that bolt. Let's check this under panel back on. We'll go out for a drive. See if it's actually helped with it starting and I'll check how it's charging too. All these scrapes. This is all from coming out the driveway. This corner. It's not too bad, I guess. In the last few days we started to get a bit of a belt slip, so I think that helped. Alright guys, what do you think I should do about a K24 block? Is it a paperweight now, or can I get away with it? I really should have done a compression test on it, but that's when it had all the rust in it. I could put it all back together and do a compression test, but it's a lot of stuffing around. I don't know. What do you guys think? Comment down below, guys. Alright guys, just going to head off to East Lane, which is in Ringwood, about 10-15 k's away. So, let's see how the old Skyline goes. Yeah, gotta head to East Lane because it's Father's Day in a couple of days, so I need to give my dad something. And so, actually, when you're watching this, Mondays, so it was yesterday. YouTube timeline. Let's go. Guess what, boys? I need petrol again. Alright, so for some reason, could not find any Bunnings vouchers here at Eastland. To go to Bunnings, let's go for a drive again, and got to go get Marley. Foz? White Foz coming. Diesel? No, S edition. Hey, did nearly get run into. Come on, start. Yeah, boy. It's pretty bad when it gets to that point. I don't know if the car's going to start. Oh, who wants to buy a Skyline? AB'd, always garaged. No dents. Original paint. My turn. Going up the hill. Mustang. Barry. I'll get back to you, Barry. Alrighty guys, I'm going to finish this episode here. Tightened up the belt. It doesn't seem to be squeaking anymore. And it seems to be starting fine. Hopefully it stays like that. And yeah, next episode should be Tuesday. Might get stuck into the forest. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe. We'll catch you next episode. Bye.